Hey, what's up, everyone? I want to talk about the record cold weather. Check out these wind chills. This was a comedy thing that Ginger Z's husband came in and Ben came in there and did a joke. He was trying to be an impromptu meteorologist as a joke. And so I just thought I'd show the temperatures, though. The wind chills. This is Saturday morning. This is going to be Saturday. This is going to be Saturday morning. Sunday morning will also be very cold as well. So we're talking May 9th and May 10th being 24, 30, 23, 18, 26, 31, 38, 29. Nashville will be 29. Charleston will be, Nashville will be 38. I'm sorry. There's 38. And then 31. Let's see. Where we live, it'll be about 29 on Saturday night, Friday night, Saturday night, 30 degrees, 31. I want you to look at these temperatures. Louisville, Kentucky, 31, 26, 27. Very, very cold. This is the May forecast. They said we typically would be lucky to see that kind of weather in December. They talked a little bit about it here, and they said that we would be. They said, in fact, right now these anticipated temperatures at the 500 millibar level, which marks the halfway mark of the atmosphere's mass with height, would in some cases be record-setting even during December. That illustrates that the air mass, which is originating in the Arctic, would be unusual even during the winter. So this air mass we're seeing, a polar vortex, would be even unusual during December. So that illustrates that this air mass, which is originating in the Arctic, the polar vortex pulling down from the Arctic in May would be unusual even during the winter. For this to occur in May, that is an outlier event that never happens. Temperatures in the eastern United States will be the lowest on the planet compared to average. The winter-like chill will begin to settle south behind a cold front Friday, sweeping all the way to the Gulf Coast by early Saturday. Now, they say Chicago might even make it above 45 for the high that day, after seeing highs in the 60s. In Huntsville, Alabama, the National Weather Service is forecasting a low of 37 degrees, likely to be a record that has stood since 1923. Similar conditions in Nashville, where it could be recorded. Record-breaking temperatures could be seen. These are the temperatures across the United States. So basically anywhere from, say, 16 all the way to 36. Some places, I don't see the 16 that they mentioned yesterday, so maybe it's not going to get that cold now, but this is a winter-like pattern. 26, 28, 29, 30, 32, there's 30. You can see it all around right there. So, peace, signing out. Record-breaking weather once again. I just want to illustrate, before I leave, I want to illustrate the fact that we are literally divided in half right now in the United States. Divided with temperatures. A polar vortex in May. In May, they said the temperatures, the atmospheric conditions that we're seeing right now, along with this polar vortex splitting in two, is a rare event to even occur in December. So what they're saying is, for it to occur in May, is an outlier of an outlier. It's almost practically historically impossible. It will unload historic Arctic blast in the east as blistering heat roasts the west, and Florida is dealing with wildfires. It's going to find out what it is.
Notification from Alexa. U.S. National Weather Service has issued freeze warning for Bethpage.
Freeze warning.
In effect from May 9th, 1 a.m. CDT until May 9th, 9 a.m.
Alright, so peace. Signing out. Record-breaking weather. And to see this kind of pressure in the atmosphere, this is a polar event that you just don't see during